The violet-purple walls of the ship pulsed with a soft internal light, casting elongated shadows across the polished floor. The floor itself glowed with a muted white luminescence, and a thick cerulean blue bar connected the central table to the vaulted ceiling, humming with an imperceptible energy. Through a large panoramic viewport, the inky blackness of space sprawled out endlessly. Stars glittered like scattered diamonds, and the swirling colours of distant nebulae painted breathtaking tapestries across the void. Venus hung close, a dazzling beacon, its swirling cloud patterns visible even to the naked eye. Rising from the long silver chair, a figure turned to observe the table. Its human eyes, accustomed to Earth's atmosphere, struggled to adjust to the alien lighting, just as a metal door, seamlessly integrated into the wall, slid open with a whisper, revealing a being unlike any it had ever imagined. "Welcome," the alien said, its voice a melodic hum that resonated deep within the figure's bones. "We have been expecting you for a very long time." "Where am I? Who are you?" the figure stammered, fear and confusion battling with a burgeoning sense of awe. "You are on our ship. We are the Watchers of the Moon," the alien replied, its silver eyes unwavering. "For eons we have observed your planet, your species. Your arrival on the moon was anticipated, a significant milestone." "Watchers? But I thought the moon was barren, lifeless," the figure exclaimed, its mind reeling. "NASA, the world, we found nothing." The alien smiled, a subtle and unsettling movement of its unusual facial muscles. "The moon is a veil, a facade constructed over millennia, a clever deception. Beneath the surface, deep within the lunar crust, lies our city, a place of knowledge and technology far beyond your current understanding. We call it Selenia." "But why hide? Why not reveal yourselves?" The figure pressed, urgency creeping into its voice. "What's the point? Your species is not yet ready." "You are, as you say, infants playing with fire," the alien said, its tone laced with a hint of sadness. "We have witnessed countless civilizations rise and fall across the galaxy, consumed by their own ignorance and greed. They reached for the stars, only to burn themselves out. We wait, we observe, we guide discreetly, hoping that one day you will be ready to join us, to become something more." "And what if we're not?" the figure asked, a chilling premonition gripping its heart. "What if we fail?" The alien's eyes, like pools of liquid silver reflecting distant starlight, glinted with an emotion the figure couldn't quite decipher. "Then you will remain as you are, trapped on your small, fragile planet, destined for the same tragic fate as those who came before you. The cycle will continue." Suddenly the figure understood. The moon wasn't just a barren satellite orbiting Earth. It was a silent sentinel, a test, a profound and ongoing judgment. And the fate of humanity, its very survival, hung precariously in the balance. The alien's words echoed in the silence of the ship, a stark warning and a desperate plea all rolled into one. The figure knew with chilling certainty that this encounter would change everything, for better or for worse.